Let's talk about tools that are specifically for installing cable. First of all, a pair of flush cutters. They have a flush edge, and so you can cut right up to a surface and have nothing left over. Wire cutters are very handy. These are great because they encircle the wire as you cut it, so it takes a lot less force to cut through the wire. Still speaking of cutting, this is our cut and strip tool and has a little blade that'll cut cable right off. Now crimping. This is a ground cripper. Some of our RJ45 terminals have an external ground that has to wrap around the cable, and this does a really good job. This tool also contains a ground crimper. This is our all-in-one termination tool. It's good for stripping cable, and it also crimps RJ45 connectors. If you're going to be using our keystone jacks, you want some parallel crimp pliers. These make sure that the force is applied in parallel to each other if you're using punch down jacks. Lace each conductor into the slot and then use a crimp tool to punch them down all 8 at once and cut off the extra wire.